Alright, my people, now well done. Now welcome now to another episode of So I'm Yourself. Thank you for your time, for watching my videos, for clicking, for your subscription, for your encouragements, and for everything Bona they do to help me move this channel forward. I appreciate you now. God bless you. So today we want to learn how to make this fine bra ready for our screen, and if we're not ready, make we start. So the measurements we need for this pattern now our bust measurements. That's the round bust measurements and the under bust measurements. So let's get started. So I will just measure line for here like this, and I will use this part, the part where I will measure, I will use them as my start line. I think I just measure like 8 inches from the top. I'll make 9 inches. So I'll just measure this 9-inch mark here. So from this point now, I go measure 4 inch up. That 4 inch represents the radius of the bust. That is the bust line to the under bust. So for you to know where the bust line is, the bust line now where your nipple start from to your under bust where your bra is sit. So from here now, I go measure 4 inches upwards again. So this one now go make the upper chest line. So make I just mark them, then make I indicate a chest line, bust line, and the under bust. The next thing we go do now, we go insert our dart line. So the dart line now your nipple to nipple measurements, that is the apex of the bust. So for this pattern now 8 inches be the apex of the bust. So divide that by 2, go get 4 inches. Now I might put here. So you go come up here for the chest line. So this part now go serve as where your neckline will start from. So I will just take 5 inches here just to give them better shape. So I will connect them straight to the bust line. So we don't get up to this point. The next thing we will want to do now, I go start to insert the dart leg. So I will come for the under bust here. I'll just take 1 inch for the both sides. So 1 inch here, 1 inch here. Then from this bust line, I will come down by 1 inch. So if you come down by ½ inch, depends on the bust of the individual where you dey. So if the bust not too big, just come down by ½ inch. So if the bust dey very big, if the person dey very busty endowed, just come down by 1 inch. So at least this person a bust 34, so still get small endowment. So here too for the chest bust line again, you will still go up by 1 inch. Then you will come for this chest line here. You will take 1½ inch here. You will take ½ inch for this side. So the reason why we take 1½ inch here now, so that this top where we dey do, I mean this bra no go get gaping from anywhere. No go dey gape from any corner. So then make we take 1½ for this side and 1 inch for this other side. So I will just throw this that line now, make I measure them so that I go dey sure say them they equal. So the 3 inches for this side now here. So the next thing where I want to do now, I want to insert the cup. I want to start to form the cup. So for this pattern where I did do so, I'm not sure say we will need the upper dart, but maybe we continue. So the cup, I go just come here. Sorry, I will come for this bust line. I will go up by 2 inches. Then I will come out here by ½ inch. So I will use my ruler, connect the lines together. Just use the ruler, connect them like this. The next thing I go do now, I go just connect from this point to the under bust line. So you see, now from here now I will just use this ruler. I will cover like this. So now this shape now I want make it get for here. See, I don't cover for this side. That side don't set. The next thing I go come for this bust line. I go take the radius of the bust. That is from this bust line to the under bust. For this pattern 4 inches, I go add half inch to make am 4.5 inches. I go connect from this point to the under bust line here. So the next thing I go come do now, I will come for this part here. I go measure the same 2 inches where I come up here. So now the style of the cup where they do, let be this. Let me can be like that. So I will just mark that 2 inches. Then this side, I will connect them to the cup. So our cup is almost ready. So now from this side now, I want to create the style line. So from this side, I will just come here. I will just give them half inch. I will come down by half inch from this corner. So from this corner, I will come down by half inch. You see, for this cup. Then from the top, I will also go up by half inch. So just put your tape measure for the center bust line. Come down by half inch, go up by half inch. So from the center line again, still go up by half inch, then come down by half inch. So we will connect them to this bust point here. We'll connect them to this 1 inch where we come up here. So from here, I want to connect them, go up like this. So now the kind of cup where I want with that. So I just want to make this cup be like this. So you see, I don't connect this cup, go like this, go up. So the next thing we want to do now to just insert the side seam. So this pattern now, the bust now 34 divided by 4 now 8.5. So 8.5 day here plus that. Sorry, make I start from this upper chest line, ba. So 8.5. Then be the that line, the bust measurements plus this 2 inch that is 10.5. So from the center line here, now 10.5. So I will use 1 inch for the sewing allowance, 11.5. So here too will be 11.5. Yeah. Then here, the bust measurements now. Under bust na 30 divided by 4, 7.5. So plus the 2 inch that's 9.5 plus 1 inch for sewing allowance, 10.5. So just connect your lines. So from here now, say now here this our cup pass. So I will just connect them like this. So that's now here it go pass. So the next thing we will go do now, we want to cut this our pattern. So make we cut them now. When you cut your own for your fabric, make sure you don't forget to put your seam allowances for your own. So alright, my people, we don't cut the cup. So you see the side, this is not the center front, it's on the side front. So the next thing, make I just keep on my side. The next thing we want to do now, these two now don't label them. This is not the center for down, this is not the side down. So this one now, I go join them. I will cut them for fabric, then we go join these two together. But this one we want to make it form as one piece back. So what thing I go just do be say I go just use paper tape take hold them. You see, I will use the paper tape take hold them for here. I'll go do one now. We'll come show now what we go do next. Then from here now we will come attach this one now. We will attach them to these two cups. So we'll come attach this upper cup to these two cups like so. So make we go do one now. We'll come show now. Sorry. So when I sew these two cups together, I'll come attach them to this single one. So make I use another paper, put another piece of paper underneath this one now. I go retrace them out before we go use and cut them for material. Look at that now. I go show now the outcome. Alright, my people, I don't use paper tape take tape the two upside together. See, I'm to form one whole one. So I put new another pattern paper under. So I can't use and take trace out this cup. So this cup now, I don't cut this side. I don't cut them for the material, and this fine Ankara print I want to use. So now see, let's see, my camera don't move. Okay. So this part and then this part. Yes, so now the three. So this one now I go join these two together like this. I go sew them together. Then when I don't sew them, go come be one. I'll come attach them to this part like this. Go attach them like this. Make I go do one now. Come show now. Then go use the remaining one now. They cut the side side front, side front and the center front. So this is not the center front. So I go cut the center front on fold, then I go cut the side front. Make I go cut them now. I go come show now. They come. I no go take. Alright, my people, we don't go attach this cup. So I don't sew the two down together. The two the down part of the cup, those two cups, I don't sew them together for the down. Then I don't attach one of the cups. See them? Now see how the thing fine. Yes, it makes sense. So the next thing I want to do now, I go attach this one to this part of the cup. So make I go do one now. I go come show now the next thing we go do. I dey come and no go take. Okay, my people, we don't go sew the cups. See them? Now see that the thing makes sense. Fine, where? Yes, so the next thing we want to do now, we go come sew this center, these two center together. So to sew these two, I go just sew this part here first. Then the sides, I never go sew the side now. So the side, okay, see the side here. So we go sew this side. So make I come out the pin first. Make una see how it be. So you see this side and this side. So this side go there here and this side go there here. So I go come sew the cup for here. Go attach this cup. But before we attach the cup, I want to use this lace. Take cover this cup to take turn am. So now this lace now I want to use turn am. Make it give am small beauty. So make I go turn am now. I go come show now. They come and no go take. Alright, my people, we don't go sew the net. We don't use a design this side so that the thing will make sense. Wanna see? We don't fix the cup. So make I go put them for the mannequin now. Make una see how the thing turn out. They're very fine. So if this video they helpful to you, I better help me like, share and subscribe. I will see you for the next video. Bye bye. Okay, so see the final outcome of the bra. Now see how the thing fine. So if you want attach your own to skirt, just go ahead attach them from the whatever you want attach and put, whether na gown, whether na skirt. You make your own longer. You won't make your own reach your waistline, you are free. Or if you want also embellish them, you are also free. Just try put stones. You fit put stones, you fit put applique, whatever you want put, you dey free. So now the final outcome of our project with this. So I thank you for watching. I beg, if this video dey useful to you in any way, help me like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you for the next video. Bye bye.